So I know someone else will definitely love to. But it's not lipstick, it's actually a liquid lipstick. So it is a lipstick. Oh my god. How you attacked me? Why are you attacking me? I love you. What's up, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, this idea just happened because I was doing my friend's makeup. I was trying this palette and it disappointed me so bad. Laura Lee, you have done me dirty, girl. With all your tea spilled out on this internet, and now you gave such a crappy palette. Huh. Let's go ahead and spill some more tea, why don't we? I actually got this palette in Boxycharm, and it's called Party Animals. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip so you can see the horribleness of my friend's reaction when she sees her shadows. Palette is trash, and I'm trying to do her makeup, show everyone. And we're going to see her reaction because I don't like this look. Here you go. What? No. I wish I had a flash photography photo of the patchiness of the shadows, because I know the look was kind of boom out there, like festival look, but I know it would have been so much better if it would blend, because I had the nice natural color here. If that would have blended into the blues and then the green, but no, it was just like, all right, line of blue, line of this, nothing was blended, patchy. And what I'm gonna do is a swatch test so you can see exactly what I mean. Here are the shades in this palette. Here are the first 3 shades. They look amazing on my fingers, amazing, like, oh my god, you are so pigmented. Look at this. If you can see, yes, the color has pigmentation, but it basically just fades out into nothing. You can tell from this swatch right here that it is going to be patchy on the eyelids. Another thing too, with this blue color that I put on my friend's lid, not only was it just all over the place, but it wasn't this bright blue that I wanted. It was so bad. It looked like a gray, dusty, rotten blue. As soon as it went on the eye, and I put a base, I put concealer, so that way the neonness pops did not work. I played with all of these colors except the dark purple one. And look at that on my fingers. Again, it is so beautiful. The purple one, I don't know if it's because it's a dark pigmentation or what it is, but it looks beautiful swatched. When you look at the pink and the orange, where's the color? It just completely wants to fade away. You tell me what you think. I say this is a disgrace. I'm very upset, very upset, because these are the 3 shades that I put on my friend. They just was not picking up. They weren't as pigmented. They weren't true to color. It would not blend. Did I say patchy? They were patchy. I think it is trash. If you got it, let me know how it worked for you. If you got it in your Boxycharm, you have it at home, please let me know if you have the same exact problem with this guy. Let's open my Boxycharm. I haven't done a Boxycharm video in so long because I haven't been excited for anything that came in my Boxycharm. I just got it today, so instead of just doing a hate video on Laura Lee's palette, why not just open up my box? Wildflower is our theme. The first thing that sticks out to me is Laura Geller, and to be honest, I always thought this was an old lady brand, but it's actually really good. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at this. I'll go ahead and swatch it right here. So, oh yeah, that is so gorgeous. This is a baked blush. Oh honey, it's baked blush and brighten tropic hues. brushes. You can never have enough brushes, and these are the Alamar cosmetic brushes. Oh, it is soft. Blending brush right in the crease. This is a nice flat brush if you want to cut crease for concealer, place it down. This guy could be great for actually eyebrows to carve them out. Okay, and you can see the lipstick inside. Usually you can see lip gloss, but it's straight up the shape of the lipstick. Okay, this smells so weird. If I don't want it, I'll just pass it on in the giveaway, but I just want to give a swatch so you guys can see the color. Butter London Roll-On Precision Liner. Now I have Butter London's mascara. It looks just like this. It's called the Stroke Wow, but the mascara, I love it. It is my go-to mascara because it has this bristles that's really extended out there, so it looks like a comb, and you just have to be careful not poke your eye because I've done it multiple times. So what I do is I wiggle, 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 pull through, and it really extends the volume like false lashes because it has that extended comb. What kind of liner is this? This is the inside. And look at the freaking wand. Roll on, so I literally have to roll the liner on and not mess up. Now this 100% is going to be a part of the giveaway because I know I'm not going to use it. It is a wonderful, beautiful brand, Pretty Vulgar, and I know someone else that does not have shadows or cannot afford this kind of brand will love it. So this will definitely be a part of my giveaway. I already have so much stuff in my giveaway and I can't wait to do another one. So beautiful. I love their themes. It has a huge mirror right here and I'm gonna cover up, and these are the shadows. I am so excited. Let me know how you feel about your Boxycharm. I also have a referral link down below if you're interested in it. I will be receiving the big box that they just came out with. That's gonna come 10 to 11 items every 3 months. I'm so excited. I definitely will be doing a video on that because that is so many products. How can I not unbox that? Definitely let me know if there's any requests and videos that you want me to do. Can't wait to do another giveaway. It's gonna be a whole lot of Ofra products because I just got a whole bunch of them and I sure as heck don't want them. I know someone else would definitely love to get that. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with others, family, friends. Like and comment. Hit the bell. Become a part of Yaya fam. Yaya fam. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. Don't get that Laura Lee palette because it is trash.